Hi, I'm Jane Monzures with DIYbyJane.com. Now, I love to take old clothes and refashion them into something new and exciting. And zippers have been on trend now for many seasons, and there are so many ways to embellish your clothing using zippers. But first, the zipper was invented in 1893 in Chicago and originally called the clasp locker. Now, it's most commonly used as a fastener for our clothing and luggage and leather and so many items that we use today, and most commonly used for function. But today, the zipper has hit the catwalks and has taken on a new role in the world of fashion. So today I'm going to show you how to redesign your wardrobe with zippers for fashion over function. Now, I love the look of the exposed zipper. The shirt that I'm wearing today is an old football jersey. So I love the color and I love those zippers. So I turned it into something fun and trendy that I can wear today. Again, upcycling and refashioning all of those old clothes. So let's talk about that exposed zipper. We've got some design elements to discuss. So I've got a shirt right here. What if we added a zipper right down the center? Exposed zipper. It's a locking zipper, so it's not going to break apart if you do open it up. What if we added it down here to the waist? You've created a whole different look to your basic t-shirt. So let's bring it back up here to the collar. What if I added two more around the collar? Now it looks like you're wearing a zipper necklace. So much fun to play around with the design of your shirt and adding the zippers for embellishments. Now I'm using all black because I like the contrast there, but add some color. Think about what you can do with the variety of zippers that we have today. Again, what if you did one right down the center using the same color? I love the fact that we've got the dark green mixed with the bright green, so it's still in the green family, but giving you just a little something extra to look at. Again, let's do contrasting colors in this world of blue and green, and I absolutely, clearly, and obviously love yellow. So how much fun is that? Look how much fun that would be to put on your zipper. This might even look really great on the back of that t-shirt. So because I love the exposed zipper, let's take an old t-shirt. Let me show you how easy it is to put that zipper on your shirt. So I like the look of it here on the collar. So you're just gonna line it up with the collar and pin it in. Make sure you don't pin the back of your shirt because you're gonna need that to be free when you're sewing. But just a couple of pins right in here, and we will head over to the sewing machine. There you have it. So let's go to the machine here. I'm using the free arm because I can easily put the collar of my shirt inside the free arm. And I'm gonna make sure I don't pick up any of the other cotton shirt there. So let's get that started. And there you have it. On this machine, you want to stay close to the zipper teeth without actually hitting them. I'm using the zipper foot to make sure I'm not hitting the metal of those zipper teeth, but super easy. Take it nice and slow. I'm going to turn the corner here. And again, because I have the free arm, it makes it so much easier to make these turns. And we're just going to finish up the top half of the zipper. And again, I'm using thread here to match the zipper. So I'm using black thread. If I was going to go with that yellow, I would be using some yellow thread. Now, I also want to use thread in the bobbin so it matches the shirt. Today, I have used black thread so you can see what a nice stitch that makes. There you go. So there it is, the inside of the zipper. Now, of course, this is a beautiful embellishment, but it also can be functional. And I'm just going to cut right underneath the zipper teeth and up the inside. And because it's knit, it's not going to ravel. It's not going to fray. Let me get that in there. There you have it. How cute is that? Now I've just really added some great character and some fun to this t-shirt. And that is not all. I also would love to talk to you about this amazing sweatshirt. You can add zippers to your sweatshirts too. So what I love about this is I'm gonna throw this right up the back. This is gonna be great when I'm casual, when I'm going to the game, when I'm going to the gym. So let's sew this in place. Same thing, I've got my free arm to use. because, here we go. It's easy for me to go inside of that sweatshirt. And again, I want the zipper foot to just run right along those teeth. I'm using black thread to match my zipper. And we just run this up. Now, this sweatshirt, I was in the department store and I saw an amazing distressed sweatshirt. And I thought, wow, this is great, really expensive. I thought, well, I can make that, right? We all do that. So I got an old sweatshirt out of my closet and I distressed it using bleach. So I just soaked it in bleach and got this really cool distressed look. And I'm gonna turn the corner here. And I wanna make it like what I saw, so I'm just adding this big long zipper to the back. Now, the other thing that I love about the zipper in the back is that it is functional and you can unzip it to give yourself a little bit extra room and be really cozy and really comfortable, and you're fashionable. And we are just at the finish line of this. Very good. Okay, let's take this off the machine. And we talked about this exposed zipper. So now let's make it functional. And I'm just gonna cut right underneath the zipper teeth and up the inside. And I'm using, this is a 24-inch locking zipper. I would recommend using locking zippers if you're gonna do the exposed zipper, because then it's not going to unlock when you are unzippering it and using it for function, but you'll clean up all those threads. Look at that. So much fun. Gives you a little bit of extra room, great fashion, great style. Now, these are zippers for functionality and fashion, but let's talk about using zippers that are deconstructed, and we can do that as well. So here, I have got a separating zipper, which means the zipper comes apart completely. Usually what you see on your jackets and your sweaters. How do we do this? Well, you're gonna wanna remove the pull. So you're gonna cut off the edge here and just pull this pull off. And you're gonna cut out the other end right here. Now you're thinking to yourself, well, this is gonna fray. This is how we fix it. A little bit of heat. I'm using a lighter and I'm just going to just kind of melt the edges. There you go. And that's gonna keep it from fraying. So that's deconstructing your zipper. And now let's use the zipper as embellishments on a shirt, sort of like what I have over here. But what you can do is really get creative. You're gonna line these up with the collar, or really anywhere on your shirt. If you feel like you want it down the center, that's fine. Just get creative and have some fun with designing and adding all of these zippers to your garments. Now, I would add this on here. I'd pin all the ones that I wanna have on. And because they're zippers and the zipper tape moves easily, you can make swirls and turns and all sorts of fun decorations and designs. Okay? And so you're gonna continue on with this. Now you're gonna use probably more than one zipper. You'll continue on with this, sew this one on, and then add the rest of your zippers. Go ahead, have fun, deconstruct those zippers and use them as embellishments on your clothes. Now, zippers not only used on your clothes, but they can also be used for accessories as well. One of the things I love to do is make brooches and statement necklaces, and you can turn your zipper into a floral embellishment. So I've got a locked zipper here. That means it's not separating. And because I think this pull is so special, I'll show you how you make that floral. You're gonna do loops. So you're gonna loop just right under, so you have the teeth facing forward. Then you're gonna make another loop with the teeth facing forward. And you're gonna do another one. Now, I'm doing this so you can see how it's done, but a great way to do this is put it in there and pin it, and then you can go in there and hand stitch that together. So you're gonna continue on, and using a longer zipper allows me to make more and more and more loops and come out with beautiful flowers and beautiful decorations for accessories as well. So there you have it. You're gonna pin that, and then you can create wonderful flowers. I would just add some sparkles, maybe some embellishments right in the center of it, and you can create jewelry make great gifts and really impress your friends. So again, zippers not just used for function, they are used for fashion today. Remember, use that exposed zipper, get creative with it, put it on the front, put several on the fronts of your shirts, your sweatshirts. You can deconstruct a zipper and you can put them on your shirts, but a lot of fun, great ways to refashion your wardrobe using zippers.